Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, and today is Monday, March 14th, 2022. It is 5:25 and 23 seconds, a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, female reproductive disorders. So let's hop to it here. Obesity may increase risk of some female reproductive disorders. Date February 1st, 2022. Source, PLOS. However, the roles and mechanisms of obesity and the causes of reproductive conditions are unclear. A study suggests an etiological link between obesity and a range of female reproductive conditions, but the extent of this link differs among conditions. And to investigate the causal associations between obesity, metabolic hormones, and female reproductive disorders, researchers conducted a Mendelian randomization study of 257,193 women of European ancestry, aged 40 to 69. They accessed records from UK Biobank, a large-scale biomedical database containing the medical, environmental, and genetic information of participants. The researchers then created a statistical model to estimate the association of body mass index, a waist-to-hip ratio, with risk of numerous female reproductive conditions, including endometriosis, heavy menstrual bleeding, preeclampsia, and infertility. The researchers found observational associations between obesity and a range of female reproductive disorders, including uterine fibroids, polycystic ovary syndrome, heavy menstrual bleeding, and preeclampsia. They also found that some inherited genetic variation associated with obesity is also associated with female reproductive disorders, but the strength of those associations differed by the type of obesity and reproductive condition. The study had several limitations, such as a low prevalence of female reproductive disorders among participants, a lack of body mass index, and a waist-hip ratio, data prior to disease onset. Researchers provide genetic evidence that both generalized and central obesity play an etiological role in a broad range of female reproductive conditions. The researchers' results suggest a need to explore the mechanisms mediating the causal associations of overweight and obesity on gynecological health to identify targets for disease prevention and treatment. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.